Good morning, children. I am an English teacher. Welcome all of you. You're in English class. Children, today I'll teach you conjunction. Conjunction is made of two words, con plus junction. Junction means a place which joins two places. And what is conjunction? A conjunction is a word that joins one word with another word, one phrase with another phrases, or one sentence with another sentence. Means conjunction two words, two phrases and two sentences को कनेक्ट करता है, ज्वाइन करता है, उसे हम conjunction कहते हैं. There are three types of conjunction: coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunction, and correlative conjunction. Here is some example of conjunction. He is poor but honest. But is used for conjunction. Here this word connect two words. You are writing or reading. Is also conjunction. Ritesh bought a bat and a ball and connect two words. So this is the conjunction. Here are some words we use in conjunction. In coordinating conjunction: for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. These are the fanboys. This is the fanboys. F stand for, A for N for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for yet, and S for so. This is called acronyms, and all 7 words are very important for conjunction. And second is subordinating conjunction. Some word we use after, even though, although, every time, as for, as if, since, as long as, so, as soon as, so that, because, though. And in coordinating conjunction, either two words we use in one sentence: either or, not only but, neither nor, both, and, whether or, just as, so. So these are the words we use in conjunction. What is coordinating conjunction? Coordinating conjunction, this is also known as coordinator. These coordinate or join two or more sentences, main clauses and words. Example: and, for, but, etc. we use in this conjunction. कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजक्शन एक ऐसा कंजक्शन है जो टू फ्रेज, क्लॉज, वर्ड्स एंड सेंटेंस को ज्वाइन करता है. चिल्ड्रेन, डू यू नो व्हाट इज फ्रेज एंड व्हाट इज क्लॉज? फ्रेज, इन फ्रेज there is not subject and verb, and in clause there is also subject and verb. For example of coordinating conjunction, first is I listened eagerly for he brought news of my family. This is the two sentence I use here for the conjunction. Mangoes and apples are sweet. Here is two words connect the and this is the conjunction. Will you drink tea or coffee? Or is there also conjunction? I cannot go out because it is very cold. Here is two sentence, and because connected two sentence. He is rich yet he is unhappy. Yet is connect to sentence. Hurry up, otherwise you will be late. Otherwise connect to sentence. So this is the conjunction. Second is subordinating conjunction. What is subordinating conjunction? This is also known as subordinator. These conjunctions join dependent clause to independent clause. For example, some word we use here: if, as, so, because, before, etc. Subordinating conjunction dependent clause and independent clause को join करता है. Here are some sentences. His teacher loves him because he is honest. Because connect to sentence. So this is the conjunction. If you work hard, you will pass. If connect to sentence. So this is also conjunction. This is the house where she lives. Where is the conjunction? Marina will take bath after she comes from market. Here two sentences connect with after, so this is a conjunction. Hari got good marks, so he gave party. I will read the book if I get it. They acted as they had been advised. So these are the conjunctions. Third is correlative conjunction. What is correlative conjunction? These conjunctions which are used in pairs are called correlative conjunction. This works in phrase or words that carry equal importance within a sentence. ये ऐसा कंजक्शन है जो दो वर्ड्स को ज्वाइन होकर फ्रेज एंड वर्ड्स को ज्वाइन करता है जिनका इक्वल इम्पोर्टेंस होता है. Some words are used in the pair, are used in conjunction as either or, neither nor, as so, such as, etc. So these are the words we use in conjunction, correlative conjunction. For example, we shall watch movie either on TV or in the hall. We both love and respect him. Rohan is as brave as a lion. She is not only intelligent but honest. He is neither reading nor writing. So I see here in sentence pair of words are used in correlative conjunction. Conjunction may be also come at the beginning of a sentence. कभी कभी ये बिगनिंग में ही आ जाता है सेंटेंस के. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, बिकॉज आई वोक अप लेट आई वेंट ऑफिस विदाउट ईटिंग ब्रेकफास्ट. बिकॉज इज कम बिफोर द सेंटेंस. नो सूनर डू द क्लाउड्स अपीयर इन द स्काई द पिकॉक डांसेस. हियर टू सेंटेंस एंड नो सूनर comes before the sentence. Here is also some more sentences conjunction. He was on time but everyone was late. But connect to sentence. So this is the conjunction. Riya is honest so everyone respect her. So connect to sentence. So this is the conjunction. She is intelligent and beautiful. And connect to words. So this is the conjunction. Rani and Sania are sisters. And connect to words. So this is also conjunction. Harish is not only intelligent but also funny. Here in this sentence I see pair of words used for conjunction. They offered to help Shweta but she refused their help. But connect to sentence. So this is the conjunction. Although it was very cold, he went out without a coat. Although come before the sentence, this is the conjunction. She told me that she liked her new dress. That connect two phrases to one sentence. So this is the conjunction. So children, I hope you have understood about conjunction, what is conjunction and kinds of conjunction. Thank you. Jai Hind.